Look at that. She's a performer. Well, as you saw, the Sonex just left, and some of you may have seen it posted on Barnstormers a bit ago, and just wanted to take a few moments to talk about that, what I'm up to, and what direction we're taking with the channel going forward. I know I'm not the only one saying it, but it's been a tough year on multiple fronts, and Excel doesn't lie. Being sole owner of an airplane right now just doesn't make a lot of sense. In my opinion, neither does selling off shares of the Sonex and having a partnership. It's just not. I don't think that fits the mission of the airplane. I still think, and I'll defend that, the Sonex aircraft is the most bang for the buck for the sole owner. The performance you get per dollar and just the smiles per gallon you get on that thing. For the right person, it's a blast. Does that mean I'm done with Sonex aircraft in general? Absolutely not. I still want to build a high wing. It's on the top of my list. Selling 541 now, or selling it now was kind of getting me in a better financial position to make that happen down the road. Owning an airplane has its fixed costs even if you don't fly the thing. This hangar we're in right here, that's a fixed monthly cost. If you finance the portion of the airplane like I did, that's a fixed cost. And that takes away from any kind of funding to do any kind of projects or any other future things you want to do. It's definitely a bittersweet moment. I'm excited for what's coming, but it definitely sucked watching the airplane leave. I'm not going to lie about that. I've mentioned it to a few people already, but I'm really focused on a new career path for me. I'll talk more about it in the future, but back in September, I went down to Missouri, took the light sport repairman class, and I got, light sport repairman maintenance rating. I also did an interview recently on Joshua Ryan Blair's channel talking about the light sport rating. Be on the lookout for that, and I'll post when that comes out as well. Now I'm working in a local repair station, and it's about 30 months away from my A&P rating. I've been trying to go back to school or work towards my A&P rating for the last 13 years, and it's great to finally be doing it and working towards that, and we'll see what the future brings on that one. So that's what's actually going on in my life. That's probably where I'm going to steer the channel, is be more towards the A&P apprentice side of things. There's a couple of people that talk about it, but not really anybody as they're going through it, and what to expect, what you learn, and your experience is going to vary, but I kind of want to document that process as we go. For now, it's just time to regroup, enjoy the holiday season with my family, and we'll see what comes in the new year.